Objective. By the end of this lesson, I will be able to apply the rule for zero powers to form equivalent expressions. Essential question. How can I analyze mathematical patterns to create a rule for laws of exponents? What does the rule say? It says that if you have a power or an expression, any number that's raised to a zero power, the answer will always be 1. Because really, what does that mean? It means that you have some number y to the third power times y to the negative third power. Because when you add the integers, it's 0, right? But really, we learned from the previous lesson, when we rewrite this negative exponent, it's just y to the third over y to the positive third, because we flipped this. But what's y to the third divided by y to the third? It's really just 1. So it will always equal to 1 no matter what. So let's take a look at the first expression. We have this parentheses. And of course, please don't forget to do parentheses first always. But if we look inside the grouping, we have 3x times y. They don't have the same basis, so it's already simplified. But then it's raised to this 0 power. So I'm going to simplify the expression. Very easy. Anything raised to the power is just, you said it, 1. So your answer is just 1. Take a look at example number 2. Simplify 4 to the third power times 4 to the negative third power. It is actually a product of power rule, and it tells us to do what to the exponents? Remember, we just learned it. X to the a times x to the b. What do? That's right. All you do is you add the exponents. So that's what I'm going to do. 4, 3 plus a negative 3. 4 raised to that power. Now I'm going to simplify it. What is 3 plus negative 3? They're opposites from each other. They're different signs. I have to subtract and then take the sign to a higher number. 3 minus 3 is 0. So really your result is just 4 to the 0 power. But wait a minute. What's 4 to the 0 power before I put my cloud on? Because we got to further simplify it. It's just what? 1. Anything raised to 0 power is 1. And that is it. Look at the last example. X to the third power times x to the second power, all divided by x to the fifth power. We have a product of powers for the numerator. And then we have this division symbol, so we have a quotient of power. So this one requires us to do both properties. Well, you got to decide which one you're going to do first. There's more than one way to solve the problem. I like to work with the numerator first, because all you have to do is add the exponents. Keep the base, x. 3 plus 2 is 5. All over x to the fifth power. And now we can have this quotient power. And the rule again tells us for power of quotients, you subtract the exponents. You subtract them. A minus b. So 5 minus 5 is just 0. So it'll be x to the 0 power. And that's just 1. You're done. So what I would like for you to do is try these problems on your own and turn in your work. Thank you.